Hello, my lovely students. How are you? It's me again, your English teacher, Waad Rashid. Today, we are going to revise Need to and continue talking about Don't Need to. The outcomes for today's lesson. Students should be able to remember the use and form of need to and recognize don't and doesn't need to. Let's start. At first, let's revise the use of need to. We use need to talk about necessity. Necessity means ضروري. And now let's revise the affirmative form of the sentence. Look at this example. You need to wear a helmet to ride a unicycle. In the last lesson, Miss Dana said that you is the subject, need to is verb means necessity or ضروري, and after need to we should use what? Excellent infinitive verb wear. A helmet to ride a unicycle, it's the complement of the sentence. Let's do another example. She needs to wear warm clothes to fly a hang glider. Look at this sentence. What we have here? What do we have here? Bravo, S. We add S to need because of the singular subject. Bravo. She is singular, مفرد. So ضفنا الأس لنهاية need. Needs to wear warm clothes to fly a hang glider. And wear is infinitive verb. And now let's talk about negative form. We use don't need to and doesn't need to. Okay? We use don't need to with which subject? Don't. Look at don't. It comes with excellent plural subject like they, we, you, I. Bravo. And we use doesn't need to. Doesn't. It comes with excellent singular subject like she, he, it. So, don't need to comes with plural subject يعني الفاعل الجمع بيجي معاه don't need to. And doesn't need to comes with singular subject الفاعل المفرد. Okay? The use of negative form. We use don't or doesn't need to talk about something isn't necessary, isn't غير ضروري but possible. للتحدث عن شيء غير ضروري القيام به لكن ممكن إنك تعمله. And now let's practice how to negate singular form. كيف بدنا ننفي الجملة by using singular subject فاعل مفرد. Look at the example. She doesn't need to work on Friday. She has enough time. Look, we have she is the subject. Excellent. It's singular subject. Bravo. And we have doesn't. We use doesn't because of the singular subject. She doesn't need to work. Work is excellent infinitive verb on Friday. She doesn't need to work on Friday. She has enough time. هي لا يجب عليها أن تعمل يوم الجمعة لأنه عندها وقت كافي في الأيام الثانية تدرس. Another example. He doesn't need to wear jacket. It's sunny. He is a singular subject. Doesn't need, okay? Doesn't with singular. Doesn't need to wear jacket. It's an infinitive verb. Excellent. It's sunny. لا يجب أو من غير الضروري أن يلبس جاكيت لأنه إيش مالها it's sunny مشمسة. Plural form. How to negate plural subject. Okay, look at the example. I don't need to pay now. I can pay later. Look at the subject. Where's the subject? Bravo! I is the subject and I is a plural subject. Okay, so we used don't need to. I don't need to pay now. Pay means يدفع. Okay, I can pay later. بإمكاني إني أدفع في وقت لاحق. Pay is an infinitive verb. Another example. They don't need to speak English in their job. They is bravo plural subject, so we use don't need to speak is an infinitive verb. Excellent. The sentence will be they don't need to speak English in their job. ليس من الضروري أن يتكلموا اللغة الإنجليزية في وظيفتهم. شغلهم ما بتطلب منهم إنهم دايما يحكوا الإنجليش. And now let's do this exercise. Write don't need to or doesn't need to. Okay? Look at sentence 1. You be there early. Early means مبكرا. Look at the subject you. Is it singular or plural? Excellent, it's a plural subject. So we should write don't need to or doesn't need to. Excellent, don't need to be there early. Look at sentence 2. My sister mentioned this to her father. mention ذكرت. My sister, the subject. Singular or plural? Excellent, singular. So we should use don't need to or doesn't need to. Bravo, doesn't need to. So the sentence will be my sister doesn't need to mention this to her father. Bravo. So don't need to with plural subject and doesn't need to with singular subject. Doesn't need to مع المفرد و don't need to مع الجمع subject الجمع. Okay, we have finished our lesson for today. See you in the next class.